So in this video, I'm going to show you how to apply multiple invoices to one estimate. So the first thing that you want to do is go to Settings, Accountant Settings, and then go over to the Sales tab. And then down here where it says Progress Invoicing, you'll want to toggle that on. So that way you can create multiple invoices or apply multiple invoices to one single estimate. So once you're done with that, let's say that you gave an estimate out to a customer. So let's say it was any customer. Let's say it was Diego, and you told Diego that for the design for landscaping, it's going to cost you $40,000. It's going to cost the customer $40,000. So we're going to save that. And now what we want to do is create an invoice, but we're going to progress invoice them. So we're going to progress invoice them. We're going to only send them the deposit invoice. So what we want to do is we want to go over here and convert to invoice. And it's going to ask you this. If you didn't toggle that advanced setting on, it's not going to ask you this, and it's going to go right to the invoice, and it's going to convert the entire $40,000 over to an invoice. But we don't want to do that. Right now, we only want to charge them, let's say 20%. So we're going to charge them $8,000. We're going to go ahead and create the invoice, and it's only going to apply just that $8,000. So we can go ahead and fill out the invoice as usual. And it's only going to do 20%, so it's only going to send them $8,000. And you'll do your normal options if you want them to be able to pay with a credit card or pay with ACH or just give you a check. Then you can do it that way. So it looks like it's adding California tax, but just disregard that. We'll go ahead and send that to them, and it'll send it off to them. So and then the next time you want to. So let's say we're going to save and close that. So looks like it's error saying that. So anyway, it looks like the California tax is screwing it up. But the next time you want to invoice them, you'll go to that customer, you'll go to Diego, and then that estimate will be sitting there. Let's go over to that estimate. And it looks like that estimate will be sitting there, and then you can convert to invoice again and do another progress invoice, and then another until the estimate is fully utilized. So that's how you convert, or that's how you use multiple invoices or apply multiple invoices to estimates. If you need help with your own accounting, I specialize in tax-ready bookkeeping services. I am a tax specialist that prepares books on a monthly basis. And if you need help with your contracting business, please let me know.